Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add alt text to images in WordPress, a simple yet powerful way to make your website more accessible and boost your SEO. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to do it, step by step, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. Click on the login button in the top right corner. You can quickly log in using Continue with Google for a fast and secure authentication. Once you're in, you'll be on your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Here, click on Edit Site to open the site editor interface. This is where you can manage all your website's content, including images. Now, find the image you want to add alt text to. Click on the image block and then look for the gear icon on the right panel. Clicking this will open the image settings menu where all the customization options for your image are available. In the settings panel, locate the alt text field. Here, type in a clear, descriptive explanation of your image. Make it simple but informative, something that conveys what the image shows. This not only helps visitors using screen readers, but it also improves your site's SEO by letting search engines understand your images better. And that's it. Adding alt text is a small step that makes a big difference for accessibility and search engine optimization. Make it a habit for all your images to give your website a professional, inclusive, and SEO-friendly edge. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.